second part of my makeup haul. I have this bin in front of me. It's filled with all the high-end products that I bought recently. If you didn't watch my previous video, I will link it down below. I have a haul split it into parts. In this part I have the high-end, and in the other part I have the drugstore makeup. So I don't know which one of the videos will go first, but I will let you know on the description box. So without any other further ado, let's get started. I will start with eyeshadow palette. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I have made already a review, but I will just slightly present it for you. I will also link down below the video. So the palette looks like this, and it's really beautiful. I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is also not new. I think I use it once or two times. I create a couple of looks, but I didn't haul it, so the palette looks like this. I think you all know. So I enjoy using this the brush. Okay, I love the purple called Celestial Wild Child, which is a pink, and they swatch like this. And this matte shade called Love, which is this one. So I was recently created a look with those shades, and I will also insert the swatch with all the shadows. So if you want to see that review about this palette, please let me know. I went on the fence and tried the Petit. So this is Viseart Petit Pro 3, opening like this. And you have those wonderful shades, enough to create a complete look, even day or night. You can use this shade for transition. You can dip out the crease with this brown or with this dark green, and you have here your lighter shades for the lid. Okay, so one thing I don't like is that we don't have the shadow names here. You have the shade only on the box, so if you are throwing out the box, you will not be able to know what the name shades are. So this is a bit disappointing. So the top row have matte shades, only matte. The bottom, they're only shimmer. Not a very strong shimmer, so this is what I like about them. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Marrocan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. And let's open it. Ooh. I'm really excited about this. I just swatched it in a store, but I didn't open it yet. Wow guys, so look at this. It looks like a tablet, but I keep it upside down, so this is up. You have the shade names on the back. Look how wonderful it is. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7 matte shades and 3, 6, 8, 9 shimmery shades in total. Let's swatch a few of them. Let's try this white shade. This is not so intense. Ah, it is, yeah. So you can see it here. Okay, this is a pink, soft pink. Not very good swatch. Let's try this blue. Saffron, I think it's called. Wow, look at these guys. Look at this blue. It's amazing. Okay, so I will do the same. I will separate the swatches. Okay, one more shade I will swatch is this orangey peachy shade. So I will put it next to the blue. Yeah. So I really looking forward to play with this palette. Marrocan Spice by Fenty Beauty. I have a couple of loose powders. Both of them are in mini size. First one is from Caviar is their perfect setting powder, loose version. We have here 4 grams. What I like about this powder is that you have this lid to close it. So if you are traveling with the powder, you will not get any spill in your purse or in your makeup bag. So this is really cool. So you can close it after that and you are sealed. So this is the Caviar setting powder in shade Translucent Light. I will just throw the boxes. I have some weird addiction for the boxes, especially for high-end products and especially when the products are new, like in first couple of weeks, I am tempted to keep the boxes. The second powder is by Terry and is their hyaluronic hydra powder. It's also a mini version. I have 1.5 grams or 0.051 fluid ounces. So it's coming with this small sponge and you have here a place to keep it. And you are unscrewing the lid and the powder is here. It's really fine powder. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's really fine. I use it today for setting my eyes. I put it back on the box, of course, my addiction. And the last powder is by Becca and is their blotting powder perfector in shade Translucent. This I keep it in my purse and I will show you why. Because it's coming with this nice pocket or mini bag. So the powder is like this. It's coming with a puff. And I'm using it with a puff while I'm traveling, when I'm outside of my house and I blot my excess oil. So I enjoy this powder for touch up on the go. and the pouch, of course. Some people might find this a bit unhandy, but for me, I don't have any problem to spend some extra time to open and take it out. I think it's more classy. I have this Estee Lauder. It's called Automatic Eye Pencil Duo. It's coming with Mercier and one refill. It's the pen. You have here the tip. It's matte brown. And on the other side you have the smudger. So you can smudge it like this. And it's coming also with one tip for refill. So this will last you guys for a long time. Put it back on the box, but I'm keeping the box because I'm keeping the refill. I got another stick eyeshadow from Mercier in the shade Amethyst. So it's this one. I got the Mr. Right Now eyeliner pencil from the Balm in shade Wayne B Olive. So this is automatical pencil. And I will swatch it below the Mercier eyeshadow. I don't think so that you'll be able to see, but it's really nice olivey color. Few more products to go. I repurchased Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil in shade Bel Air. This is my favorite lip pencil. Looks like this. You might have seen his small brother on previous tutorials because I really enjoy using it. It's my perfect pinky brownie nude shade. Also from Mercier, I got a Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in shade Fresh. So it's really good match for the lip liner. It's a bit more deep. I didn't try it so far, but I will let you know how long it lasts. And the last product is one liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade Dolce or Dolce. This is the shade. It's really nice corally nude shade. I love the packaging. Like all the Anastasia Beverly Hills packaging, I think this is really pretty. One more thing. It's not makeup, but it's somehow to makeup related. I got this Clinique SPF 40 UVA UVB high protection. This is the body cream version and it's 150 milliliters. I got this because Wayne Goss recommended to use this size. It contains the same ingredients like the face SPF has, but you have triple size. Okay, so we finish. That's all. I hope you enjoy my high-end makeup haul. Please let me know in the comments down below if you want a specific review for these products beside of the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, for which I have already one video. So in case that you have anything else to add, I will welcome you to comment on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!